Today we're going to look at this interesting problem, P of x, and we're given this whole statement here, and Q of x, and we're given a whole statement. And what we want to do is we want to find 2 times P of x minus Q of x. This is an interesting question because quickly it looks relatively like manageable, right? It just looks like, okay, I just do P of x minus Q of x. The key fact there, though, they got to pay attention to, is that we want to take P of x minus Q of x. We want to take that value and we want to multiply by 2. So what we want to do first is we want to take the function P of x and we want to subtract Q of x. So I'm going to take P of x, 5x to the third minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 7. And I want to subtract off all of Q of x. So I'm subtracting off all of Q of x. So I want to put that in parentheses. So minus a negative 4x to the third plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. So I'm subtracting off all of this statement. This is P of x minus all of Q of x. Really easy to mess that up and not put the parentheses there, but you want to subtract off all of it, so you want to put that in parentheses. So I'm going to distribute the negative into there, or just take the opposite of all the signs. That's going to give me 5x to the third minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 7 plus 4x to the third minus 2x squared. See what I'm doing? I'm just changing the signs here. That becomes a positive, that becomes a negative. Plus 3x, because it was minus 3x, so it becomes positive 3x, and then minus 5. And then we want to combine like terms. So I have 5x to the third plus 4x to the third. 5 plus 4 is 9, so 9x to the third. I have negative 4x squared minus 2x squared. Those are like terms. So negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6x squared. We have 2x plus 3x. That's 5x. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then last, we have negative 7 minus 5. Be careful here. This is just negative 7 minus 5. So that's going to give us negative 12. Now, we're not done because of the original problem saying 2 times that whole statement. So now I want to multiply this whole statement by 2. So it's going to double everything. So I'm doing 2 times 9, 2 times negative 6, 2 times 5, 2 times negative 12. Multiplying everything by the 2. So that is going to now give us 18x to the third minus 12x to the second plus 10x minus 24. So 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, 2 times 5 is 10, and then 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. Now, just double check, make sure we didn't miss any like terms, and we didn't. We have x to the third, x to the second, x to the first, no x at all. So we are done. 2 key pieces of information here. I am not doing 2 times P of x and then subtracting Q of x. See that? See the difference? I am doing 2 times P of x minus Q of x. So I'm subtracting the 2 functions and then multiplying by 2. So that's the first key. And then just making sure you're doing this distributive property here correctly and taking the opposite of the whole entire Q of x, because you want to subtract off all of that Q of x there. So hopefully this was okay for you, and thanks for watching.